Hi guys, today we're looking at a fact family triangle, which is 3.5C, and we're going to be looking at comparative language words. So comparative language is when you use words to describe how much you have of something. So like 3 times or 4 times or double or twice, all those are words to describe numbers. So this fact family triangle has the numbers 5, 4, and 20. So you know that 5 times 4 equals 20, 4 times 5 equals 20, and then 20 divided by 4 is 5, or 20 divided by 5 is 4. So those are the different ways you can use that fact family triangle. Here, it displays 2 different ways to write it. Okay, so usually you see it this way, 5 times 4 is 20, or you can also say 4 times 5 is 20. And it gives you the same thing. Remember, when you multiply the factors, you can change the order of the factors and you get the same product. Factors are the numbers that you're multiplying together. So let's do this one first. So you can say 5 times 4 is 20. Now, whenever you see the word is, you must know that that is the same as equal. Equal is the same as is. 5 times 4 is 20, or you could have said 4 times 5 is 20. We can also say 5 times as much as 4 equals 20. Okay, or 4 times as much as 5 equals 20. If you write the word 5 times, that's the same as writing it like this. When it's written in words times, that just means your multiplication symbol for times. Okay, now it's also sometimes written this way. This is the exact same thing as this. All they did was flip it. Remember, when you have your equal sign, that just means that it's the same on both sides. It's balanced. So however way you write it, it represents the same equation. 20 equals 5 times 4 is the same as writing 5 times 4 equals 20. All they did was flip it. But on either side, you still have the same amount. You have 20 on this side, and you have 20 on this side when you multiply that together, okay? So here it's just flipping it. So the product would go first. 20 is, remember, is means equal. 20 is 5 times 4. Or you could have said 20 is 4 times 5, either way. You could also say 20 equals, which is the equal symbol, equals 5 times as much as 4. Or you could have said 4 times as much as 5. Remember, times is your symbol there. Okay, so that's just a quick activity to let you know there's different words, and sometimes you'll see it written this way. And I know it looks kind of funny, but it really does mean the same thing. For example, if I put 2 plus 3 equals 5, I can write it this way. 5 equals 2 plus 3. And I know you don't always see it this way, but sometimes with multiplication division, they will do that. So it's very important to know that these two equations represent the same amount, the same thing. The equal sign is telling you that it's balanced. 5 here, and there's 5 here when you add that together. Think of a balance scale. They're equal on both sides. So it doesn't matter what they put first, as long as both sides are equal. And here are some examples of finished products. If you're doing it in class, this is an example of what it would look like. That same activity that we just did. You can pick your own factors and your own product. You can create your own fact family triangle and do the same activity. Okay, we will see you next time.